Just few years after the Apple Pay was launched into the world, which the initial aim was to get rid of, your credit cards, your bank cards, whatever means you used to pay, Apple was looking to get rid of that with the Apple Pay. And today they've just recently announced the Apple Card. Ooh. If you watch some of my videos, you know that I'm not the best, supporter of Apple in terms of innovation. Are they a legit business? Yes. Do they know how to make money? Damn right they do. But do they innovate? In my opinion, I don't think they do. And this Apple Card might be coming as a sort of excitement, but don't fully look at it as excitement because there is a lot of mixed things about the card. So this card is in joint alliance with MasterCard and Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs are known to cater to businesses and wealthy people. Apple is releasing products for the general public with a very premium rate. Can you see where I'm trying to go with this? This is your money that's going to be funding them. Who is the winner in this all Apple Card? It's not going to be you as a consumer or a user of the card. It's going to be Apple and Goldman Sachs because they'll be able to reach more customers whilst feeding the wealthier and the upper class individuals. Not everything about the Apple Card is all doom and gloom. There are some really cool features of it. Yes, it's going to be inside the Apple ecosystem and they know how to make things integrate well with the ecosystem. So your iPads, your iPhone, your MacBooks, whatever, anything with the Apple logo in front of it. And from the press events, there were some really cool, analytics that's been displayed graphically, which is going to definitely entice some customers. And definitely Apple is not the first company to integrate this. There's a lot of financial techs in the European region doing a lot of things. One of the ones I actually shouted about a lot to my friends is Revolut, which I do hold their cards. Revolut is quite innovative. Yes, they sit on top of other banks in different parts of the world, but their application is what really drew me to their bank. It's very clean, well refined, easy to use, and it's graphical. There is all this money saving features the Apple Card is touting in their Apple Card releases. Are you going to be able to use this if you're on Android? I'm guessing no. Again, Apple being Apple, they like to create this ecosystem and they like to keep that wall as tight as possible. They thought that people were really going to adopt the Apple Pay, but it hasn't been as successful as they actually think it was going to be. But hopefully with this Apple Card, maybe more customers might be interested in actually using a physical card or just having it more integrated with them. For me, on the conspiracy side of things, that's a lot of my information with just one company. They know where I live. They know the places I go to through the GPS and the mapping service. They know your heart rate. So they know what you feel like when you're stressed. They know the kind of things that you're reading or watching that can increase or decrease your heart rate. So they have such a close personal medical information about me or you. And they have your biometric data through the Touch ID or the Face ID. Now, they're going to have all your financial information. That's too much information with one company, in my opinion. But then again, we don't really know who the puppet masters are. Anyways, not to go too far from the topic, which is the Apple Card. I think, yes, it's innovative. That's one thing for sure. It's definitely innovative, but it is not a new thing. There are so many other cards like that. And because it's a credit card, all the reward system that they're saying that you're going to be able to benefit from, it's probably going to land you in a lot more debt if you're not good at managing credit cards in general. I would try to stay far away from this card myself because yes, they're saying that you'll be able to get some cashbacks if you buy Apple products. Their products are not the cheapest. You're spending thousands and thousands of pounds and dollars a lot of times, and now you're going to have it on credit. Yes, you're going to get some cashback, but what about the interest, which you'll now be able to see graphically? Woo! Now I know how much my money is getting worse and worse. But if you're really good at managing credit cards, this could probably be good for you. It could be a good way to just use your phone with transactions in general. But again, there are so many other ways to do this without being locked into the Apple ecosystem. Ranting is over. I am not bashing this card. I just don't think it's a brand new product from Apple. I'm still waiting for them to innovate something properly, launch a brand new product that we haven't seen before, or just do something groundbreaking. The Apple Card is it's mostly software based tweaking that you're really seeing. Goldman Sachs is the skeleton that they are building on, so to speak. And with the help of Mastercard, they can actually give you a physical card if need be. But at the same time, I just feel like it locks you into an ecosystem. And if you're trying to break out of it, then don't go for the Apple Card. But if you're not, go for it. Once again, I can't really force you to do anything on this channel. I'm just bringing information, sharing my thoughts and what I think about, things that are being released. Anyways, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs up twice. Actually, smash that thumbs up button just to show me how unhappy you are. Share your opinions with me in the comment section below, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification to receive more from me as soon as I upload them. Anyways, it's Sam from 10 Things I Like.